Altudituhak, a long time ago, Creator was there, Creator of all good things. Coyote created the Salish Sea and all of the saltwater marshes. The marshes were abundant in many resources for the many animals that lived there. In those times, long time ago, the first people would stretch nets across the bay as the tide came into the little salt marsh, and they would catch ducks. And in the evening, their cooking baskets would be full of duck soup. Salmon children also lived there as little fingerlings. They lived there until they were full grown. One day, Beaver decided these beautiful marshes would make a wonderful big home. The beavers built the dams across the inlet to the saltwater marsh with the trees and the mud. They blocked all the saltwater marshes. Salmon's children circled and they circled, trying to get out so that they could join the other salmon as they went north. They began to cry because they could not get out. They began to cry. The Creator heard their cries, and he saw what the beaver had done to the protected saltwater marshes that he had created. He blew and he blew and he blew on the waters of the Salish Sea, creating a huge, huge tsunami that broke loose, and it busted up all the dams created by the beaver. The salmon, they swam out of the marsh, and they joined their parents for the long journey to the ocean. You could see all along the Salish Sea, jumping and jumping and jumping and jumping and jumping, a silver streak of jumping as they swam north, so happy and thanking the coyote for setting them free. They were happy knowing that when they returned that their little fingerlings could find a home once again in the little marsh. The Standing Tree people were once again standing tall and protecting the animals and all those that lived there. They all settled back in their homes in the place of Stillwater.